Today we're going to look at how we can use Jumplead to build, manage and nurture our contacts database into customers. Contacts are managed within Jumplead in the Contact section. You can think of this as your marketing CRM, where each contact has their own profile page for their details and activity. To create a contact record in Jumplead, you'll need a name and an email address for your contact. This allows you to create and send emails both manually and via email marketing campaigns. One of the key features of Jumplead is its ability to track and respond to your contact's individual activity. This allows you to create marketing campaigns that are in tune with interests and actions on a one-to-one basis, personalising your messages and communications. If we take a look at a typical contact's profile page, we can see all of the information that we've collected through forms, activity and manually. There's some top-line information including contact details, first seen, last seen, referral sources and referring campaigns where available, and also their lifecycle stage and their local time. You can also easily see their location, social profiles, their lead score and any tags that are associated with the contact. You can message the contact directly through Jumplead's messaging system. You can also run an automation to trigger a campaign and, if needs be, unsubscribe or delete the contact from here too. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the contact's activity history, including website visits and email interactions. There are also further tabs where you can add notes, create tasks that relate to this contact, perhaps to follow up in the future. Any chat conversations that you've had on your website are also saved here, along with the email autoresponder campaigns they're subscribed to, and also the privacy consents that they've given you for marketing communications. On the right hand side of the page are editable contact property fields. These include any custom contact fields that you've included to customize Jumplead for your needs. You can import existing contacts as a CSV spreadsheet file, and new contacts are added automatically when you use Jumplead conversion flows and landing pages with your website. Also, if you're using Jumplead's chat feature, contacts are created when website visitors add their name and email address to get an offline response to their questions. The overall marketing goal that Jumplead is designed to help you achieve is to nurture your contacts into customers for your business. And there are some key features that Jumplead provides to help you turn those contacts into customers. First, we have custom contact fields, and these are the questions you want to ask your contacts in order to qualify them for sales. And this might be their role, budget, or their marketplace, etc. By adding these questions into the settings in the contact section, they then become available for every contact on their profile page, where you can update them. They also become available as drag and drop fields when you're building conversion flows and landing pages. Needless to say, when a contact completes the form, the information is then added automatically to the contact's profile page. This information can also be used to create segments of your contacts database for use when sending targeted email campaigns from the campaign section. Because Jumplead is so tightly integrated between the onboard CRM and forms and landing pages, we're able to give you the option of using what's called progressive profiling to automatically use only the unknown contact fields in your forms, and skipping over information that we already know about that contact. This prevents duplicating questions across different forms, even when profiling your contacts over a long period of time. Next, we have lead scoring, where activities such as clicking through from an email, opening an email, visiting your website, submitting a form or a landing page can adjust the score of each lead to allow the most active and the most engaged leads to float up and grab your attention. As well as being able to adjust the scores of these activities, you can also, for complete flexibility, add your own custom criteria in. You can give it its own unique score and trigger it with an automation from anywhere in Jumplead. So for example, you might have an automation triggered by a visit to your pricing page that boosts a score by an extra 10 points. When nurturing contacts, it can be very helpful to map out your marketing activity into a sales funnel structure. using content and offers to educate and encourage contacts to move to higher levels of qualification over time. For this, you can use Jumplead's Stages feature. Each contact can be added to a stage either manually or by their activity when they trigger a marketing automation. So when somebody signs up for your email newsletter, you might move them to the subscriber stage, and then when they download an ebook, you might move them into the lead stage, and then on to sales qualified if they perform some other activity. By using stages to segment your contacts and send appropriate offers and materials for their level of qualification, you can constantly be moving your contacts through your marketing sales funnel. In fact, segmentation is one of the key activities when working with your contacts database, and you can easily filter down to your required set of contacts using the options in the right-hand column of the main contacts page. Then, once you have the exact set of contacts you need, simply give your segment list a name and save it. It's worth knowing that Jumplead segments are dynamic, so whenever you use this list, you'll get the contacts that meet your criteria at that exact point in time, and your segments will never go out of date. That's all, folks. I hope this gives you a good understanding of how to create and manage contacts with Jumplead, and thanks for listening.